Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the pound yen, just like the euro yen, I think this is likely the end of a wave 3. If it is the end of a wave 3, we're very likely now in a wave 4 correction, which I think will go down to the 50% Fibonacci retracement before it makes another attempt on the uptrend for that wave 5. Just keep in mind that this wave 4 potentially could last 6, 8 months, maybe even more, because this is the monthly time frame. So going down to the weekly time frame, I think we have to say that the wave A probably is over now. We probably are already now going up for what I think was likely a wave B. Then eventually it's probably going to make another push down for wave C, and this is all going to be that wave 4 correction on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean technically the trend is still down, but I mean this is definitely has to be counted separately than this right here. This definitely cannot be part of the same pattern. So it kind of seems like the wave A probably is over. I think this is probably a wave A here. This is probably 1, 2, 3 waves of wave B. There was no signs of the wave B being over yet, but eventually I think we're going to get the end of a correction and another big push up for wave C. And this should all be an ABC of wave B, which should take it at least above these highs right here. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, zoomed out a little bit, this is where you can kind of see that this is an uptrend, wave A. 1, 2, 3 waves, I think we're at an ABC of B. Now there's still really no signs that the wave B is over, but if we do get a break of starts on the shorter time frames, then that probably will tell us that wave C is over. Wave C's do not have to take out the low of wave A, but they normally do, so I would be a little bit cautious about going long. I mean, it possibly is going to go down quite a bit more, take out the low of wave A before it actually does continue up for that bigger wave C of wave B. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely still continue to look for shorts. If it goes up and breaks structure with a lot of momentum, then I definitely would turn into a buyer on pullbacks. I would definitely start looking for buys at the end of every single pullback I see after I see the break of structure. If it doesn't break structure but continues to make lower high, lower high, lower high, then just keep on going short every single chance you get. The trend is your friend, and I think we're going down for a wave C of wave B, like I explained it on the higher time frames. So keep on going short until you see that significant break of structure, preferably at a Fibonacci retracement level. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.